treaty on which India has a strict stand. India has taken a tough stand on Pakistan and has unilaterally cancelled the agreement between India and Pakistan on the Indus River Valley. This agreement is related to the time of independence of the country and many disputes. The incidents have been taking place between India and Pakistan, but India has never put any kinds of hindrance on it. There are also reports that Pakistan will go to international forums against India. There is also news that Pakistan will not suffer much loss if India bans it. But amidst all these things, our purpose in this video is to understand what is the Indus Water Treaty. In simple words, the Indus Water Treaty is from the time of the British Raj, when India and Pakistan used to be one country. Then during the British Raj, a big canal was constructed on the Indus Valley in South Punjab. After this region benefited so much that it emerged as a major agricultural region of South Asia. But when India and Pakistan got separate, Punjab was also divided, and when Punjab was divided, the canals were also divided. The eastern part of Punjab went to India and the western part to Pakistan. The Indus Valley and its canals were divided, but Pakistan was dependent on India for the water it got from it. To maintain the flow of water, an agreement was signed between the chief engineers of East and West Punjab on 20 December 1947. According to this agreement, it was decided to keep giving water to Pakistan till 31 March 1948. When the agreement was no longer in force on 1 April 1948, India stopped the water of two major canals, due to which the condition of 17 lakh acres of land in Pakistan, Punjab was sent. Many reasons were given for this step of India, one of which was that India wanted to pressurize Pakistan on the Kashmir issue. According to a study in 1951, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru called David Lilienthal, former head of Thames Valley Authority, to India. Lilienthal also went to Pakistan, and after returning to America, he wrote an article on Indus River Valley water sharing. The article was also read by World Bank chief and Lilienthal's friend David Black, and he contacted the heads of India and Pakistan regarding this, and then a series of meetings started between the two sides. These meetings continued for almost a decade, and then on 19 September 1960, the Indus River Valley Treaty was signed in Karachi. According to this treaty, Indus, Jhelum and Chenab were declared western rivers, and their water was allotted to Pakistan. On the other hand, Ravi, Beach and Satluj were declared eastern rivers, and their share was allotted to India. According to this treaty, India can use the water of eastern rivers without any hindrance except for some exceptions. India was also given some limited rights to use the water of western river, like generating electricity, limited water for agriculture. Under this treaty, there is a rule for both the countries to meet together. Under this, a commission was established, and it was named Indus Commission. Under this commission, there was a proposal for the commissioners of both the countries to meet. The treaty has a provision for the two commissioners to discuss any dispute issue. It also has a provision that when a country works on a project and the other has an objection to it, then the first country will respond to it. For this, there will be meeting of both the parties. If no solution is found in the meeting, then the government of the countries will have to solve it together. Along with this, there is also a provision to take the help of a neutral expert or go to the court of arbitration on any such disputes issue.